Hi, Rob Andis here. I wanted to tell you there's a survey recently about sales professionals of all categories, car dealers, uh, financial advisors, insurance agents, realtors, even CPAs, attorneys, folks starting out or running a firm. And it was asking about how they spend their hours. Basically, across the board, all metrics, give or take a little bit under 2,000 average hours per year. And then they broke it down. And the smallest amount of hours calculated was what they spend on their marketing. It's less than 2% across the board. And that includes things like networking events, time with your referral sources. And it doesn't really surprise me too much because this is something I've learned over 20 years now in business. And this is something I share with my team members every day. You have to spend more time than that. You have to. But don't just go to a bunch of meetings. There's got to be a strategy. It's got to be a genuine attempt of having good relationships with other professionals that you and them can grow a practice around. So I developed a pretty fun strategy. It's very applicable to all sales professionals. Feel free to check out the link below. And you don't have to tune in live. You can do it all as a binge, as a three-part series, shorter than a movie. And there's no fluff. We get right into it. So grab a pad and paper, make yourself a beverage of your choice, and you'll find some very applicable steps you can take immediately to change next week and every week afterwards. And I think you'll find it's very rewarding, not just financially, but you really truly can develop good relationships, making work even more fun and the business sustainable for growth. So I hope to see you this weekend. Link below and looking forward to it. Cheers.